The question I have chosen is if K set 2011 is coded as LUHX 3122, then how TREE 4233 will be coded. Now, this problem how you are going to be solved. I will explain you in detail. Watch it clearly and do understand. These problems are very useful for your competitive examination, in particularly in KCET examination. In each and every paper, general paper will be there and optional paper will be there. In that general paper, as usual question they're going to be asked related to these coding problems. Okay, so that I'll suggest you do watch complete video this to understand how to do problems on this, how to do coding related to the problems. Okay, solution for this. See here, K said how they coded. KSET 2011 is coded as LUHX 3122, right? Here we need to know that first they asked that KLSU, like that is there, so that we need to stick on to the alphabetical letters, so that we'll move on to numerical digits. Okay, first I'll take here A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. When the coding problem they have asked means, you should automatically that method should be come in your mind. What you need to do when you are going to solve the coding problems? First of all, you should write the all alphabetical letters on your paper when they have given the rough work. Okay. First of all, here you see that K set 2011. Okay, what we need to find here? TRE 4233. Right. Now this K set 2011 is coded as LUHX 3122. Here you can notify that below each letter I have wrote the codings. See here, what the question they have asked, I wrote here. K set 2011. Below that only, particular to K I have wrote L, and particular to S I have wrote U. Particularly respectively, below that each and every letter and digits I have wrote the coded alphabetical letters here. Okay, and digits. Now how to do codings, I'll explain you here. See here, K is coded as L and S is coded as U and E is coded as H and D is coded as X. Then here 2 digit is coded as 3 and 0 is coded as 1 and 1 is coded as 2 and here 1 is coded as 2 again. Here you can notify that after K is going to become L, after S is going to become U, after E H will come, T after X will going to come. Yes, right. Here you can see this. You can notify that here each letter will come after the next, so that we should apply the forward coding method. Here see here, after K L coming, right? After K how many digits going to become? K L. Here only one letter is the vary. So here we should be taken as 1. Here we are applying their forward. Better if you have any doubt in this, better here you can take this F. Okay. We are applying the condition as forward coding method, so that I am applying here forward method, and after K L coming, so that only one letter is a vary, so that I took here 1. After S, how many letters going to be vary? See here, after S, S, T, U, only 1, 2, right? So that here I'll take 2. After E, H is coming here. So that after E, how many letters here? 1, 2, 3. Here 3. Here you should take 3. Then T after X. Here we should leave that given letter, excluding that letter we should be count. Or else if you are taking including that letter means we should be considered as here 2, 3 like that. I am taking here excluding the given letter. Okay. So here T after X. T 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4. Here next 2011. See after 2 next digit what coming? 3. 0 after 1. 1 after 2. 1 after 2. Here as usual this is also forward method, and so next series number we should consider here. Okay. Now this same procedure we need to apply for this also. Okay. See here I'll take here arrows. Here we did a forward method. Here also we should apply same forward method. Okay. Got it. See here T after how many letters varying? 1. After T next number is what? U. Here U. After R how many digits varying here? 2. Right. Here you should know in your mind that we should exclude after finishing each and every letter, then we should move on to the next letters or digits. Okay. First case finished means the same case should be applicable. The first method should be applicable for the here what we are going to be find. Okay. The first K and first D, first S and first R, like that respectively we should do the procedure. Okay. Then R. See here the second letter what we have here, S. For that we should code it as 2, right? The same number should be coded to here also. R next after 2 R's which letter going to be come? After R 2, right? 1, 2. T. Okay. Here E. For E here, see here for E how many letters after H is getting here? 3, right? After E, see here after E 1, 2, 3. 3. We should be take here H. Here we should know particularly that here for E only we are taking as 3. After 3 codings we are getting here H. So that for E only we should apply there 2 times. For E we got here H. Hence for E also again we are going to be get H. Getting? Next. See here seriously we are getting the digits now. Yes, right? 2 next number 3. 0 next number 1. 1 next number 2 and 1 next number is 2 again. Here 4 next number what? 5. 2 next number what? 3. See this is the coding that is applied for your this. For this question the code we got here is UTTH4344. Okay, I'll give options also. Options are here. You can notify that the option for this question they have given that 4 options there. UTHH5344 and TUHS4122, HHTU4122, THHU5344. After solving this problem, we are getting their option is UTHH5344. Is this option is available here? Yes, UTHH5344. This is the first one is the correct answer. Okay. For this problem, for this given question, this is the answer. Okay, these are options. This is the correct answer what we are getting. I hope you are understanding this problem. Next, this is the second problem. If GZWRF is coded as BURMA, then how LJWRFSC will be coded? Okay, then these are the options. In this, which is the correct right coded answer, we need to justify it by solving and applying the coding method. Okay, now solution for this, how to solve. Okay, see here, first problem I have shown you in detail that how to do coding with the provided alphabetical letters, right? The same procedure we will do apply here also. In that each problem that can be applied different variety methods. It may be forward or a backward, or it may be cross method, or from last to first, like that it will be there. We should particularly notify the given problem, then we should move on to further solving the solution. Okay, and we need to get the right answer. Why? Because this is a case that each problem is very important. We need to get the right answer. Okay, now see here, first of all we should take all the alphabetical letters from A to Z. Okay, see here, these are the alphabetical letters. Okay, from A to Z. How many are there? Total alphabetical letters 26. Okay, now we will take up the question there. G, Z, W, R, yeah, is coded as what? Burma, right? Each alphabetical letter respectively in that below we should be take. Okay, see here, B, U, R, M, A. Okay, see here how I took. For G we got B, for Z U, W, R, and for R, M, and F for A. Like that, each alphabetical letter should be taken respectively so that you won't get any confusion when you are solving the other problem also. What the question they have asked, in that you won't get any confusion, so that be careful when you are taking the codings when they provided the question. Okay, for G, for Z, W. Okay, now see here. Here for G we are getting B, means it is a backward of that. For G should be coming B, means it is a backward coding method. Okay, for Z we getting here U. For Z you are getting here U. For W you are getting R. For W you are getting R, and for R you are getting M, and F for you are getting S, A. See here, F for A. For each and every letter when they are coding, you are getting the method is backward method, so that the same method should be applicable for the given question also. Okay, now see here, how many digits before that coded letters and are coming. We should clearly notify that. We should same procedure you need to apply for the given problem also. See here, for G getting B, right? For G you are getting B. How many digits before that letter is acquiring here? Okay, see here, for G B, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. We are applying here backward method. Okay, G before 5 letters we are getting B, and for Z, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You see here for 5. Same here for W you are getting R, right? 1, leaving that, excluding that the letter I am including there. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then also 5. For R you are getting M. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For F, A. For F, A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, same procedure you can apply for that. See here, I will take the question there. L, J, W, R, F, S, and D. Same procedure you need to follow here. Almost like this. Okay, now for L. Okay, before 5 digits we should be take that respective letter. Okay, before L, the 5 letters before which letter going to be get. For L, before 5 digits, which letter? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. G. For J, before 5 letters, For J, excluding that letter, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. E. For W, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. R. For R, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. M. For F, before fifth letter, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For S, before fifth letter is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4, 5. N. Same way for D here. Okay. Fifth letter of before fifth letter of the D is what? 1, 2, 3. We should be go back to the last number. Okay. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1. For L, J, W or F, S, T, the coding letter what we got is Germany. Is this available in the option there? Yes, it is available. See, and option C. We move on to the next step. Before solving this problem, I have a small request that please like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Each like is very important, and if you have any queries related to this, you can comment me in the comment section. And one more thing I need to say that you can follow me in Instagram, Facebook, and you can follow me in my website as well. For website, you need to get alerts. You can subscribe our website, and I have provided some of the links in the description section. You can go through that as well. Okay, let's start this problem solving technique. Okay, solution. See here, name is coded as 13261422. Then team will be coded. These are the options they have provided for the code this. Here they gave that letters in the form of numerals, right? Numerals means what? Numbers. Okay, see here. The same procedure but technique is different. Okay, we will take that from A to Z alphabetical letters. I have completed all the alphabetical letters. Now we will do coding related to numbers. Why? Because the name they have coded as in numbers there. Okay. Here you can notify that. See, I'll show you. N, A, M, E. Here how many digits are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 means they have given 4. So that each 2 digits is applicable for one alphabetical letter. Okay. 1, 3, 2, 6, 1, 4, 2, 2. Each letter has 2 digits. Each letter has 2 digits. Each letter has 2 digits. Like that we should be do codings. Okay. See here, like this. Here you can notify that for A they have given 26. Okay. This is a backward number technique you should apply here. See here, for A we should be take 26 means you should do the numbering from 26 to 1, from backward to forward, like that. Okay, see here, for A I am choosing that 26, here 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19. See, the numbering coding numbering system is completed. Now see here, for N 13, right? For N you got 13, and for A 26, for M 14, meanwhile for E 22. Now the same procedure we will do apply here for team as well. T, E, A, M. For T, which number we have there? T 7. And for E 22, for A 26, for M 40. See, you can see this. I'll take here the options are. These are the options they have provided for this question. Okay, see here, for this question, which is the correct right coded answer. See here, what we got for team is 722261 for right. Is this available in this option? 7222614S. Option A is the correct answer. Okay, now we will move on to another question. If you are wishing, I will provide you one more question related to this. Okay, you can go through this and you can comment me in the comment section. Okay, if you have any queries, surely I will comment you right back. Okay, now the question is below. See here, this is the fourth question I'll give for you. You should do and you can comment me in the comment section which is the right answer you got in this. Okay, if BEBOBD is in code language means Canada, then code MJABAC will mean which is the right answer. You do the coding language what I have explained and solve this problem and comment me in the comment section. I hope if you are liking this video and if you think that it's useful, please give me a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will be back tomorrow for most important topics. I'll choose and explain only for you who are preparing for a competitive exams like KSET, NET and JET, JAM, etc. I hope this will be more useful. If you have any queries, you can comment me in the comment section. I have provided links in the description box. If you wish to follow me, you can follow and you can go through my website as well. Keep watching. I'll be back tomorrow. Thank you.